Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect African flower crochet. We will explore several popular methods to join your beautiful motifs, ensuring a professional and durable finish. Whether you prefer a seamless look or a more defined join, understanding these techniques will help you achieve your desired outcome. Let's dive into the details of each approach. The join-as-you-go, or jig, method is incredibly efficient. You connect your motifs on the final round of crocheting, eliminating the need for separate seaming. This technique results in a very strong and virtually invisible join, perfect for projects requiring a smooth surface. It's a fantastic way to save time and achieve a clean, professional finish with minimal effort. For pre-made motifs, the whip stitch and mattress stitch are excellent seaming options. The whip stitch creates a slightly raised, decorative line, while the mattress stitch offers an almost invisible join, blending seamlessly into your fabric. Both methods use a yarn needle and are perfect for assembling your African flower pieces after they are all crocheted. To complete your African flower project, always weave in all loose ends meticulously for a clean, professional appearance. Blocking your finished piece helps to even out stitches, define the shape, and give it a polished finish. Finally, consider adding a simple border around your assembled motifs to provide a neat edge and enhance the overall design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.